I'm putting y'all on today. Today we're going to be trying the Bailey on lashes. In this kit, the sizes are 10 millimeters to 16. This is the bond and the lock. You'll see how I use this later. But let's get started. So we're going to curl our eyelashes. That is crucial. You got to curl them first, okay? Now we're going to get the bond side. This is like the glue. This is what sticks the fake ones to your real lashes. And we're just going to run it through like a normal mascara, as you can see here. Alright, so I'm going to do a cat eye look. So we're starting off with the longest ones being the 16 millimeter. And all you do is get some tweezers and place it right on your lash. It's that easy, like it sticks right on. For guaranteed long wear, pinch the fake lashes and the real ones together. I did 3 of the 16 millimeter, now I'm moving on to the 14. And again, just it sticks right on. Like, I ended up doing 2 of the 14 millimeters for this look. Now I'm going in with the 12. I ended up doing only 1 of those. And the difference, like I did that under 5 minutes. Now we're going to get the lock side, wipe off the excess. This is what seals your lashes. This gets the stickiness away and guarantees long wear. Now here's the magic. Boom. Yeah. They're just so cute. Oh my god. Now this part hurted me dearly. I'm going to show you how to remove them. The applicator of their glue remover really made it helpful on removing the lashes. You just brush it where your real lashes are, where the glue is. And all you do is you wait 30 seconds. Now look at this. This part was so satisfying for me. But yeah, I do have a discount code in my bio if you're interested. Look how sad I am. But there you guys go.